Hello students, welcome all of you in this online class. I hope all of you are enjoying this class and our YouTube online classes. Today our topic is chapter number 1 integers. There is subject maths and it is our part number 6 video. Now we are going for exercise 1.1. It is question number 1. Now I am going to reading the question number. The question is on page number 4 in your book. I am reading question. Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Now there is a number line. This is the number line on page number 4 in our government book. Now there is question number A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the following places marked on it. The meaning of question number A is we have to observe the temperature of these places which are marked on this number line and we have to write it here. Observe temperature of following places marked on it. Okay, our solution. At first we are going for Lahul Spiti, then temperature of Lahul Spiti is, this is 0, this is -5, it is -6, -7 and -8. So temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. Okay, now we are going for Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar. It is 0 after -1 and -2. Hence it is -2. The temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Now we are going for this question. We are going for Shimla. Temperature of Shimla is accurately 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Now it is 10. After we are going for Ooty. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Hence Ooty, the temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now we are going for Bengaluru or Bangalore. It is 20, 21, 22. Hence temperature of Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, our question number A is completed. Now there is question number B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? जो टेम्परेचर दिए गए हैं ऊपर उसमें सबसे हॉटेस्ट में और सबसे कोल्डेस्ट के टेम्परेचर में कितना डिफरेंस होगा, सबसे गर्म जगह में और सबसे ठंडी जगह में टेम्परेचर का क्या डिफरेंस होगा, ये देखते हैं. our question is in short, temperature difference between hottest and coldest place. Okay, now our solution. The hottest temperature is of Bengaluru. Temperature of, or we can say hottest place is Bengaluru. The temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Okay. Coldest place. Coldest place is Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti. It is of -8 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find temperature difference. Temperature difference 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस डिफरेंस यानी कि माइनस लगाएंगे, उसके बाद में फिर से -8 है इसलिए ब्रैकेट में मैंने -8 डिग्री सेल्सियस लिखा। अब 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस माइनस माइनस प्लस 8 डिग्री सेल्सियस, आंसर हो गया 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस। ओके, तो सबसे हॉटेस्ट प्लेस में और सबसे कोल्डेस्ट प्लेस में जो टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस है वो 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस होगा। अब हम आगे सी वाले क्वेश्चन नहीं थर्ड क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस बिटवीन लाहौल स्पीति एंड श्रीनगर। लाहौल स्पीति के और श्रीनगर के टेम्परेचर के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है, आइए देखते हैं। लेट्स बिगिन थर्ड क्वेश्चन। Temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Okay, solution. We can write temperature of Lahul Spiti. Temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius and temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. We can say here it is less and it is large. It is a small temperature, it is large temperature, and we have to find difference. Temperature difference -2 डिग्री सेल्सियस, डिफरेंस का माइनस लगाएंगे एंड इट इज़ -8 डिग्री सेल्सियस। Then -2 degree Celsius minus minus plus 8 degree Celsius. Our answer is 6 degree Celsius. Hence, the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is 6 डिग्री सेल्सियस। हम नंबर लाइन पे भी देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे श्रीनगर है और यहाँ पे लाहौल स्पीति है। कितना डिफरेंस होगा 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6 यानी कि 6 डिग्री सेल्सियस यहाँ का डिफरेंस है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर डी है इसके अंदर, वो आपका प्रैक्टिस होमवर्क है। क्वेश्चन नंबर डी इज प्रैक्टिस HW। ओके, आप लोगों को नोटबुक में करना है ये। आई होप यू ऑल आर एंजॉइंग दीज क्लासेस एंड If you found any type of problem, you can contact to our institution. You can leave comment in the comment section, or you can leave message directly on this number. In short, we will reply and solve your problems. Thank you.